US Affinity Travel Insurance Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing USI Affinity Travel Insurance based on my experience using their plans. Links to their products are in the description if you want to check them out. USI Affinity specializes in providing tailored travel insurance solutions for individuals, businesses, and organizations, including groups, students, and professionals. Their policies cover essential protections like trip cancellation, trip interruption, emergency medical expenses, baggage loss, and travel delays. One standout feature is their robust medical coverage, including emergency evacuation and repatriation, making them a strong option for travelers concerned about health emergencies abroad. They also offer Cancel for Any Reason, CFR, as an upgrade on some plans, providing flexibility for travelers who want added cancellation protection. Their policies are underwritten by reputable insurers, ensuring reliability and financial stability. Another key benefit is their 24/7 assistance service, which helps travelers with medical emergencies, lost documents, and trip disruptions in real time. The claims process is relatively straightforward, with an online submission system that allows users to track progress. Pricing is competitive, with different plan tiers to accommodate budget-conscious travelers, as well as those seeking premium coverage. USI Affinity is particularly beneficial for frequent travelers, business professionals, and those needing specialized coverage, such as student or group travel insurance. Overall, their travel insurance policies offer solid protection, flexibility, and strong customer support, making them a reliable choice for those looking to safeguard their trips. If you're considering travel insurance, USI Affinity is worth a look. Check the links in the description for more details, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.